In this tutorial, you will learn how to transfer data to AgFiniti from SMS and to SMS from AgFiniti using the AgFiniti Sync tool. The AgFiniti Sync button allows users to automatically sync data to and from AgFiniti upon opening or closing a project. To use this tool, select the AgFiniti Sync button in the main toolbar. In this window, you have the option of downloading data from AgFiniti and uploading mappable data to AgFiniti. By selecting Download and Read Files from AgFiniti, you enable the automatic downloading of data and files from AgFiniti. This option will download Ag data and third-party files connected to your AgFiniti account, as well as other mappable data such as prescriptions and multi-year averages maps. By selecting Upload Mappable Data to AgFiniti, you can send any maps that you have created in SMS to AgFiniti to view on any device. After selecting the desired options, select the Edit button to choose what data you would like to sync. This helps reduce time spent syncing data. You can also choose how many years worth of data you would like to sync by selecting All Years, Last Year, This Year, and After, or This Year and After. Lastly, if you select the Prompt to Sync to AgFiniti when the project is, you can choose to sync data automatically when opening or closing the project by selecting the box. If you do not check this box, it will only sync the data manually. Once you have selected the actions you would like to perform, select Sync with AgFiniti. This will start the sync process. Now you will be able to transfer data between AgFiniti and SMS using the AgFiniti Sync tool. If you would like to see more short tutorials from AgLeader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.